I was getting in front of that car. That was the bike, dude. I don't need no cops either, dude. Oh my gosh. OM motherfucking G. He about killed that guy. He about killed that guy. Oh my god. Oh, snake! No! That was so scary! Oh my god! That is gonna bite me! Oh my god!
A few moments later.
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh! 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 Dude! Oh! My mirror! They were perfect! Bro! Oh! Bro! Holy frick! Ah! We're good though! Oh my god! I just smacked the piss out of bro! Oh my heart. Dude, dude, I gotta look at the bike. Look how ghetto it looks now! Oh my god, he got bodied! Ow, he hit my hand too! Fucking hurt!
Chat, I'm back the next day, and this is the fella right here that I smacked. There he is. I'm looking for my mirror. I don't know if I can find it, but there he is. I think it's a hawk. Damn, poor guy.
You're good? Man down. Pick it up if you can pick it up. Yeah, you get it together. There you go. Just what I did over Gibas, but I don't know. There you go. Because obviously we only do things on private courses, but I let. Oh. Sorry, I was looking that way and I've just gone into the back of your car.
Is it damaged?
I'll have a look now. From what I can see, no, but if you want to check just in case, for your sake. It's my tyre here. The tyre's gone against that.
That's alright, isn't it? That's just a smudge.
Yeah. Take my details anyway.
Yeah.
I was just looking that way and I weren't looking forward.
Right, thank you, mate. Do you have...
Yeah, what do you want, my number or? Yeah. I'll let you type it in.
But I don't think there is anything.
No, not by the looks of it. No, I was only going like 5 miles an hour.
Oh.
What's going on there?
We'll see you around later, sorry.
Nice one.
Well, I don't think there is anything.
Yeah, well, if there is, obviously you got my number, so just give me a ring. Enjoy the rest of your day. See you later.
Am I straight or what?
Pretty close.
Fuck, dude. Oh my god. Cop right there. We're out. Come on.
I was doing red line coasters last night and everything, like on the actual red line, not the 8K. A little scary when you're doing all that with this thing, but by cracky, boy, it feels good. I felt like a Brazilian with it. A 100 shots. 100 shots.
He's so far down there. Oh my gosh. I'm struggling. I can't keep up. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Oh fuck. Oh. Hey, I'm fine. I almost died. Yes. Dude, I'm not even shitting you, bro. I hit the. Oh, dude, I gotta show you the. Oh, I hit my shin so fucking hard.
Dude, that's crazy.
Oh, fuck. Dude, like, I went off right there. I hit the whole, the ravine of rocks. I'm like, oh, shit.
How did you not go down, dude?
Oh, I can't believe I almost,
From the jump, you know what I mean?
can't believe I almost fucking died, bro.
I want to see what's back here. There's a road that goes left.
Are you fucking kidding me? You almost hit me. Yeah, you really gotta watch how you drive here. This fucking piece of shit fucking driver's gonna bastard suck.
What are you doing?
Say it again.
What are you doing?
This is what you fucking did. Come over the inside.
No, that there is one lane into here, right? You went across the hatchings, nearly knocked me off my bike. Fucking keep an eye on what you're doing, you fucking idiot. Fucking prick.